Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the difference that I saw in myself before and after meditation. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I changed after doing meditation. So in the first half, I will be talking about how I was before I started meditation and how I changed in a few years. Before I started meditation, I was a very grumpy person. I was totally in my ego. I would get upset about small things. I would take things very personally. Even though something wasn't directed to me, I would still get very upset, and it would just ruin my mood and it would ruin my day. And not just day, I would hold on to it for like a very long time. So every time that anything bad happened, I was so negative about it, and I would just carry it around with me, and it was just a mess. I would feel really low most of the times, and also it was a very grumpy phase that I had. After I started meditation, my entire life changed. I started being more positive. I was less, I could feel how people feel about me. I could tap into certain people's intentions and what they actually feel. After I started meditation, I could feel people's intentions. I stopped people pleasing. I stopped trying to control what other people think of me. I became more grounded in myself. I started seeing myself in a different way. First, I used to see myself very negatively. Now I've started seeing myself in a very positive way. It has changed my life in a very big way, because it's like when I started meditating, I first thought that maybe things might not change, but it just changed in a whole new way. I started thinking about myself more. I started healing myself. I started finding out what's wrong with me. It's not just about being right. We all have certain mistakes. We all have certain things about ourselves, and we know it deep down, but healing it is a different story altogether. I stopped attracting people who would always take from me and never return never give that kind of emotional fulfillment. And it was just, I don't know, it just changed. Meditation changed my entire life. I could focus better, I could study better, I got rid of certain thoughts which were not good for me. Some people left my life, and it was the best thing that happened. No offense. So it's like it changed everything. It just changed me. It was like a whole new me. So the old layers shed away and they went away, and the new layers formed like an entire new person. So it's like you change the way you see yourself, you change the way you show up in the world, you change your entire perspective. And in the beginning, when you had the perspective that the world is not a good place, it just changes, and it's like the world is a beautiful place. We just have certain experiences in the past which just shape us into somebody we are not. Think about the person you were before all the bad things happened. It's like you just remove off all the bad and turn into a whole new human being. It's the best thing that you can do for yourself. So I would suggest that you all meditate at least for 10 to 15 minutes a day. If not so long, at least 5 minutes a day. It will change your life within weeks. My life changed within weeks of doing it, and I think that that's the best thing that you can do. That's it for this video. I hope you have a nice day. Peace, much love.